Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is bwyta, which means eat. Bwyta, as in, dwi'n bwyta brecwast. I'm eating breakfast. Bwyta, eat.